Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to download Atomic Wallet application for your PC. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening Apple web browser. In order to do so, in the URL box appearing at the very top of the screen, type in atomicwallet.io and press enter. You'll find yourself in the official website of Atomic Wallet, which looks like this. Go to the upper right hand corner and click the download button in blue. All of the links that are available in order to download Atomic Wallets will be displayed on the screen. Go ahead and choose your device and give it a click. In today's video, we are trying to download it on our PC, so let's click on this Windows option. Your download will begin at the upper right hand corner. Once it is completed, click on the Open File link. Now you can minimize this window and wait for the Atomic Wallet installer to pop open. The installation process has begun. Atomic Wallet is a decentralized cryptocurrency wallet and exchange app with over 500 currencies and tokens supported in it. Once you finish the installation process, you'll be able to find a shortcut for Atomic Wallet right on your desktop. That is how you can easily download Atomic Wallet application for your PC. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. Go ahead and give us a thumbs up if it was. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.